Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today I'm going to do the unboxing for this 金丝礼盒. It is a Happy New Year, a sort of New Year cookie set. Jinsi, that means like a golden lion. 礼盒 is a gift set. So I got this as a gift for the Lunar New Year. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this unboxed. So let me give you like a 360 view of the box real quick, guys. Okay. And then you see it comes with this red bean pastry with the melon seeds, which is A right here. And then Chinese cheese pastry. And then you get the C is the almond cookies. D is the phoenix roll. And then E is savory cookies. So this is from King's Pastry, the brand. And here are the nutrition facts. Then here's the expiration date, June 30th, 2018. This package is made in product of China. So let me give you the nutrition fact right here for the savory cookies. And then the almond cookie. And this one is for the phoenix roll. Then you got the Chinese cheese pastry. And then the red bean pastry with the melon seeds. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. So the Chinese saying is 豆沙. So let's get this open and then cut it off, and for you guys to check it out, see what it look like. What the heck? It's a package. I guess to keep the red bean cake dry. So I'm gonna cut it open and let you guys see what is inside. Got my knife right here. Oh, it's kind of hard. So as you can see, it is a red bean that's inside with the melon seed. Oh, Make sure it doesn't get my carpet. Should put it in the cup right here then. All right. And this one is a savory cookie. Yum yum. Are you guys hungry? Want to munch on this? So that's that. We also came with this oxygen absorber to keep the package dry, I guess. And then you got this one. So we got a special design or pattern. And let me cut it open and see what's inside there. Well, you got to check it out. Oh, and look at let's go ahead and move on to the last one. This one is the thickness roll. So this one tastes very crispy, okay? I'm gonna crush it for you guys to check it out. Oh, don't want to make a mess. It's already making a mess already, but see how it is so crispy, okay? Open your mouth and ready to munch on it. Yum yum. So yeah, this is if you have a Lunar New Year coming up, this is most likely you're gonna get for the gift sets, okay? There are some other one with a bigger package or bigger gift sets. And this is just like a medium size. So this one, the net weight is about 0.82 pounds, which is 373 grams. Hopefully you guys like this video, and then give a thumbs up, and then subscribe to the channel if you can't do so yet. And be sure to turn on the bell for notification. And share this with your friend, family on social media, and drop me in the comments down below. Alright, anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace out guys. Enjoy your dessert.